Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. Today is a B day. Mrs. Cottle has PE, Mrs. Hoover has PE, Mr. Lewis has art, and Miss Montemayor has music. Remember our positive affirmation poster here. All of these wonderful things that you see that you are. I am an awesome, brilliant child, determined eternally for greatness. Helpful, intelligent, joyful, kind and loving, mindful and naturally outstanding, phenomenal, questioning, respectable, smart and talented, unique and victorious, wise, exciting, youthful, and zealous. All of those are wonderful, wonderful qualities that each and every one of you possess. Okay, and we are continuing on our goofy glyph, and yours won't look exactly like this because everybody's is going to look a little different as you continue to work on yours. It'll look different, and remember that some of yours may look like breakfast that we ordered instead of a group of people at the beach. We're going to review some of these, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to read them. And then I want you to pause the video so that you can work the equations on your paper and then figure out which of these that you're going to use. Remember that if your answer is not any of these, then you're going to do the bottom one, which is the one where you add food to your glyph. Question number 3, which of these summertime drinks is your favorite? A slushy or iced drink? Fruit juice or soda, an ice cream float. Which of these are your favorite? And remember that I want you to put the problems vertically instead of looking at them horizontally. So if you're going to say your favorite is a slushy or an ice drink, you're going to put 47 plus, not plus, sorry. We do this every time. Automatically assuming everything is. I'm still doing it. All right, Ms. Hoover, get to work here. It is a minus 37. And some of you have already done this one. And if you've already done this one, then you don't need to do this one, and you can go on to the next. But if you've not done it, pause the video, solve your equation, and pick a character, a picture, a color to add to your scene. Okay, question number 4. What do you like to do at the beach? Build sandcastles, play in the water, search for seashells, play beach volleyball, or another sport. Some of you have already done this, but some of you have not, so I'm repeating it because, it bears repeating. So let's say, for example, you like to search for seashells. You would put 21 plus 19 and we put them vertically because they're much easier to add this way, especially if we might need to regroup, which in this case we do. So we put, because 9 plus 1 is 10, we put the 0 down here, we carry our 1, and 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So this answer is 40. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. You choose the one you're going to solve, and you solve it. Okay. Question number 5. If you were to go to a summer camp, which activity would you like best? Would you like singing songs by a campfire? Would you like horseback riding? Or would you like swimming? And so let's say, for example, that you decide you like horseback riding. You can see that these are all subtraction problems. So we put it vertically, 74 minus 30. And remember that even though we write minus, sometimes we forget and we go ahead and add. Please remember, our signs are important, so you need to follow the directions that the sign tells you. This one's telling you to subtract, so you would subtract in the ones place, and then you would subtract in the tens place. So pause the video and decide which one you're going to solve. Okay, and here's number 6. What do you do in the evening during the summer? Do you play outside? Do you stay inside to read books, play games, or watch TV? Do you go shopping or go to the movies? Whichever one you decide that you're going to do, you can solve these problems. And remember, we're adding more than one number. So I usually like to put the smallest one on the bottom so I know I'm lining them up correctly. So if I like to play outside, I'm going to put 17 plus 23 plus 9. Put my equal sign too quickly here, so I'm going to go ahead and erase that, and then I'm going to put the number 9. Let me erase the rest of that mark. Sorry, guys. Oops. So now I need to go back and rebuild my 23. And then I've got my 9 in my ones place. Really? We'll just do it again. So 17 plus 23 plus 9. And you can see we have an easy 10 right here. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 9 is 19. And 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So this answer would be 49 if you like playing outside. Just remember, I'm just showing you how to remember. Remember, we look for those easy 10s, okay? And pause the video and you solve your problem. Okay, question number 7 is, what is your favorite summertime bug? When I think of bugs, I don't think of anything that I love, but then when I see these, of course, I love all of these. Is it a ladybug? Is it a firefly? Or is it a butterfly? Well, summertime brings out the fireflies, so I would put fireflies. Now, this time, instead of dealing with pennies and nickels, we're dealing with pennies and dimes. So remember that each dime is worth 10. So if you choose this, you're going to add 10 plus 10 plus 10, 3 tens, and then 2 pennies. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 2 would be what you'd add on this one. This one is 5 pennies and then 4 dimes, so 4 tens, and then add the 5 pennies. And on this one, it's 2 dimes and 4 pennies, so you'd add 2 dimes, so it'd be 10 plus 10 plus 4. So pick your favorite summertime bug and add your equation, and then look for your answer down here. If it's none of these numbers, remember you're going to put this answer here, and you put a tall glass of orange juice in your park. That's kind of funny. Pause the video. And this is the last question that we're going to do today. If you get to this, super. If you don't get to this, then we will get to it tomorrow. Question number 8 is, what do you like to do for fun during your summer vacation? Do you like to read books and relax? Do you like to ride bikes and play? Or do you like to do something else? Maybe they didn't mention the thing that you like to do during the summer, like play video games or something like that. And if they didn't, then you can choose this equation. So, during my summer, I like to do something else. I actually like to travel. So I'm going to put this one over here. And remember, you're doing it vertically, vertically, which is up and down. 77 plus 23. And if I were to add this 7 plus 3 is 10. Remember, we'd put the number in the ones place, and then we'd carry the 1 or carry the number in the tens place, and then we'd add again. So you get the rest of the number. And then when you get your answer, look for it over here. If your answer is not any of these 3 numbers, you're going to go down here and put a stack of pancakes under the tree or milk in your park. All right, so here we go. That's that goofy glyph. Now, yeah. So that's where you guys will stop today. You'll probably have, that's probably about all the time you'll have is to get to number 8. Because remember, I want your coloring neat on your uh, pictures, and and um, I want you to do the bubble cut, which means you draw a circle around your character and you cut on that circle, and then you're going to glue it with 3 small dots, like that, 3 small dots on your picture, and then glue it onto your glyph. I'm anxious to see where everybody's hieroglyphic is going to be at the end of this. You guys have a good day, and I will be back tomorrow.